Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a cleanup video with you guys again, but this one is more in depth. The last video I had, I didn't film. I did film myself cleaning the rest of the house, but for some reason my footage got lost. So right now I'm starting with the room just because I had a lot of laundry to do that day, and I had to wash all of my sheets and all of my bedding. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm just going to fold some clothes. Again, I had a lot of clothes to wash. My week is very busy. I work 46 hours a week, so I'm extremely busy all the time. So when I have the days off on Saturdays and Sundays is when I do most of my cleaning. So this day was on a Saturday, and I did a lot of the cleaning this day, and laundry was a must. This day it was very bad. I let it go way too far without doing laundry, so I needed to do it this day. So I have a little hook that I put on the side of our bed for our phone charger, and it just hooks on the side. I put my husband's robe next to his bed, or his side of the bed, and then his little sandals he uses around the house. Again, I'm folding clothes. My son insisted on helping me, which is super cute, but he wants to be around and help, so I just told him he could just play around and let mommy just finish this because I really needed to get it done today. Otherwise, on Sunday, when I am trying to relax, all I can think about is the laundry and the clothes having to be folded. So we are trying to potty train my son, and right there, if you could see him, that's him realizing that he had pooped in his underwear. So I had to go change him and get him all cleaned up. That way I can come back and finish up folding the laundry and putting it all back where it goes and in its place. Kids' room. Again, it was a complete disaster. I have my mother-in-law take care of them during the week, so she just comes over the house and takes care of them, but I don't let her really do a lot of the cleaning just because I like to clean myself and I like her to just focus on the children. But you could see I put a little it's a big actually blanket on the side of my daughter's bed. And that's because I was getting really sick and tired of the guard, and I just couldn't get to the crevices to actually put the bed together. So I got this idea on Pinterest, and I just did that. She is 4 years old. She's going to be 4 years old this month, but she has autism, and she still falls out of the bed. And my son, he just turned 3. He doesn't fall anymore out of the bed, so his guard was completely off a couple months ago. So, but she still falls, so I find that for my sanity, this was the best option I can think of, and it seems to be working. She hasn't fallen off of the bed, and I am able to put her back together without a problem. The guard is underneath her bed, as you guys can tell. I don't know where to put it. We don't have any storage in this apartment, and I have to figure out where to put things. So that was my best option at the moment. Just changing their beds, cleaning putting new sheets on the bed. My son, I didn't put new sheet on his bed because he sleeps on top of the duvet. He likes to sleep with a blanket. He doesn't really like sleeping under the duvet. It's very rare when he wants to, only when he's like super cold. So he picked this out. He's really into Spider-Man, and I was fine with it. So once I got done with that, I went to the kitchen. The kitchen is my most used part of the house. I love to cook, so I always have to clean the kitchen. It's like a must all the time. But this time I didn't have a lot of stuff. I think I kept it pretty clean, but I did need to organize some drawers. Some stuff that I have, like the storage space in this apartment is really weird, and I don't really like it that much, but I guess we'll have to do. That's my daughter with her little headphones. So this is the area that I need to organize. It was so cluttered and I just couldn't figure out what to do, and I'm still kind of struggling with it because it's so, I don't know, I find this the layout is just really weird. There's not enough shelves. I like that it's a huge space, like a lot of space that I can put all my appliances in, but I just don't like the way it's set up. I don't know, but I just kind of moved things around, kind of played with it a little bit until I was satisfied. Then I just moved into my kitchen counter. Again, I'm watching Cheers on Netflix. I absolutely love like old shows. This is one of my favorite ones. I'm just changing my daughter's song in her phone. And I really enjoy watching them. They really relax me, and I find kind of like a joy in them. I turn on a candle just for the scent, like I was watching Trolls. Just ended, so I just kind of clean up the table. There's a lot of junk, the stuff again on the table. From the week and from the morning. It's my old diaper bag. I think I'm gonna keep using it because I find it very easy when I need to go out, run with the kids out somewhere. It's just easier for me. And then I'm just gonna do a quick clean of the living room and the play area. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll be doing more videos, and I'm so happy you guys are loving it. And if you have any video suggestions, please let me know. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!